and we are at 13,000 feet. This is the flat portion of the hike.
Really good like a camera, no? But this is even better than that. In English time, people use this ones at the storage houses because it smells a lot, so they can put it at this before the potatoes. This one, on top of this one, they can put it like a potatoes.
Last night we slept in these dome igloo things where you could see the Milky Way in the night sky. But this morning we had to wake up at 5 a.m. and it was freezing. Right now it's 6 o'clock. Just finished breakfast. A few of us are going to take horses today, but apparently today's the hardest day of the trek because the elevation goes up to 15,000 feet. But take a look at the sunrise and the beautiful surroundings of the camp. Yo. Great! Oh no. Okay, how do you feel?
Taking my pants off.
Sexy! How do you feel about today?
Great. Let's go.
No one's being honest right now. How do you feel?
Fuck my wife.
Hey! Snakes. Vámonos, cantor. Vámonos. Took 6, 7, 8, 9. A 3-hour horse trek ride up the Salkantay Pass, and now we are at the top of the summit, waiting for the rest of the group who hiked it.
My horse Napoleon was the smartest horse in the world.
He was a little bit crazy and kind of went off in the wild.
Rebellious, but he was so sweet. He was slipping when I was slipping, and then he kind of looked down at me all pitiful.
Drinking my Coca tea to help with the altitude sickness. And sandwich snack at the top of the trek. Oh,
Take a bite. What is it?
it's a very dry ham and cheese sandwich with no other condiments.
Yum.
Delicious!
First thing, what we talk about is the body planet, Pachamama. You heard about Pachamama probably before, no? Pachamama, it's whole thing, like mountains, these rocks, like soil, everything. That's a Pachamama. And then we have this type of mountain. This one's like called Apus. Apus like spirits. Around Cusco City, you can see those two mountains, important the top mountains around Cusco. Sao Sangate, around, like at the side of the Roraima mountain, and this one is Salkantay. And right in the middle is Cusco City.
I thought we were done hiking, but it turns out we have to hike for 3 more hours. You can do it, Phoebe!
Phoebe! You can do it! Too damn long.
Okay, how long are we hiking today?
All day long.
Oh, someone give me an actual answer.
Nobody's telling the truth.
No.
Around the corner, around the corner, around the corner.
Today?
Vamos a la playa.
Clap for these guys. Clap.
Muchas gracias.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Okay.
We're saying today, vamos a la playa because we're going to.
Yes! Vamos a la playa! Day 3 of the trek. We just left the Andean huts, and today I think we're hiking for 16 miles or so. After a few hours in, after this morning, I think it'll get quite hot and humid.
They're protecting their land, still tea farmers at the moment. So these guys, they have to paint their faces to recognize it from which tribe they're coming from.
8 miles down, so like 1/4 of the way through, we are in the Amazonia. So the weather's a little bit more favorable. There is shade. Sugar daddy.
There. Make sure you get my change.
Okay. Trisha!
Sausage. Salsa limeña. It has a tuna in, like stuffed tuna.
Oh yeah.
That is tuna.
150.
150. They walk 150. So the rule also is you need to throw from 12 meters away. 12 meters?
12 meters?
Wow!
Cool. You can pull it down and then you can start it growing. That's how you collect the coffee beans.
For bringing us all home. Yeah.
What a great time for all the explanations about plants, animals, history.
Yeah, learn about the history is really cool.
See you later.
4 of the trek. And we are waiting in line to get on the bus to go to Machu Picchu. Super early. We just entered Machu Picchu, site of the Incan ruins. There's a bajillion stairs and narrow steps, and they're all uneven, and it's hot AF. Climbing down is gonna suck. Why do I do these things to myself? chaotic experience of catching the train back from Machu Picchu to Ollantaytambo. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to follow along.